Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Isaac McPeek, an 8th grade student at Gainesville Middle School East. Isaac is a member of the National Junior Honor Society, GMS Honor Band, swim team, and Lanier Aquatics swim team. He has also served as a Georgia Youth Assembly representative and Georgia House of Representatives page. Please welcome Isaac to the stage.
Good evening. Mike Smith and Dixie Truelove are devoted community leaders whose shared values of service, faith, and stewardship have shaped both their professional paths and their deep commitment to North Georgia. Ms. Truelove, a Ohio County native, grew up on her family's Claremont farm, a property her grandparents began nearly a century ago, and which she, her brother, and nephew continue to operate today, growing corn, hay, and sunflowers, and maintaining a herd of Holsteins and beef cattle. A graduate of the University of Georgia's College of Agriculture and Environmental Science, Ms. Truelove has built a distinguished record of community involvement and leadership. She's a past chair of the Greater Hall Chamber of Commerce and a past president of the Junior League of Gainesville-Hall County, Women's Source, and the Quinlan Visual Arts Center. Her many honors include Gainesville JC's Young Woman of the Year, the W.G. Mealer Award from the Greater Hall Chamber, the Threadgill Community Service Award from Leadership Georgia, and the Alumni Award from UGA's College of Agriculture and Environmental Science. She currently serves on the boards of the North Georgia Land Trust, the Lake Lanier Olympic Park Foundation, Habitat for Humanity, and the Pay It Forward Scholarships Executive Board. Mr. Smith is president and CEO of Vital Space, formerly Steel Cell of North America, a Georgia-based manufacturing company that has grown under his leadership from 30 to more than 350 employees. Vital Space now encompasses a portfolio of manufacturing companies, Steel Cell, Portable Solutions Group, CareAffirm, and Connecture, providing modular and portable solutions for the justice, healthcare, and infrastructure industries across the U.S. and internationally. Mr. Smith serves as chair of the Brenau University Board of Trustees and is a member of the Corrections Industry Knowledge Council and multiple committees at the Chattahoochee Country Club. A graduate of North Georgia College, he was a member of the Corps of Cadets and served as fraternity president. Both are graduates and past program chairs of Leadership Georgia, and they are active members of the Bethel United Methodist Church. Above all professional and civic accomplishments, Mr. Smith says his greatest achievement is marrying Dixie Truelove. When I met them, we immediately realized our connection with Brenau University. As I mentioned, Mr. Smith is chairman of the board, and my dad develops and maintains the web presence for the university. I asked them if they had any advice for me, and they said to be mindful that it isn't all about the money, and to remember to never give up on what you're passionate about. Please turn your attention to the screens for a video about Dixie Truelove and Mike Smith.
Thank you all so much. When we were told that we were receiving such an honor, it was really, as Steve said, it was really humbling. And I am always surprised when there's so many of you in this room, but I can remember that first time that somebody actually knew my name. And that was somebody that I admired and thought that they didn't know who in the world I was. It's just such an honor, and this community is such a wonderful place to be and give back. It's a community that really comes together when they need to, and we really appreciate this.
Yeah, I'd like to thank everybody. I get to ride along with this lady, and she takes us into pretty good places. But there's a lot of people in this room. There's a lot of the former laureates. My work family, my Brenau family, our chosen family. We're all part of what we've learned from you guys, and we continue to look up. We continue to look outward, and you're the guiding light most of the time. So, if we've accomplished a little, it's just inspiration that we need to accomplish a lot more, because that's That's you. That's the people here. That's junior achievement. That's our chosen family. That's our friends. That's our work family. And we're quite honored to be a part of such a program as the Laureates of Junior Achievement and the Junior Achievement Program. Thank you all very much.